Alright guys, right now you are watching this. It is a completely different day. We finished organizing all the tools that we pretty much have and are going to use on this rebuild and future projects. So I'm pretty excited to show you this. It did take a lot of work, I'm not going to lie. Come check it out. So this is what we are working with, guys. These are pretty much all the tools you will need to get your hands dirty and try to break some things that didn't need any fixing in the first place. So let's start off with the sets. These are both Husky sets. What can I say? This one's been in the family forever. I tried to put everything back. I think I'm missing two sockets right here. This one is a brand new set that we had laying around. I'm a fan of the deep sockets. Those will definitely come in handy. Going down here, we have all the extensions in all the sizes that we need, and we got a bunch of ratchets in all the sizes that we would need. And then right over here, which is going to cover this, we just have converters from smaller to bigger ratchets. Same thing over here. And forgive me guys if I don't know the proper terms for all these. We got some swivel joints here in different sizes, smaller and bigger. These will come in handy for those tight situations. We have another small Craftsman metric set right here, never used. Now we had a bunch of sockets that were just everywhere that don't have a complete set. There was a neighbor that passed away 2 years ago, and we got a lot of tools from him as well. So these right here, I put this in this little fancy box, are all metric sockets. I'm not gonna organize them in a way like this because it's just crazy. I don't have the proper kit to organize them in, and it's just doubles, triples of something. So this is how it's gonna have to be. And then for the same thing here, we have standard sockets, bunch of sockets, bunch of doubles, triples, and such. But it's nice to have whatever I can find in these tools. I'm gonna try to look in these in the future. That way we can keep things organized. Moving forward, we have a bunch of Phillips screwdrivers and a bunch of flathead screwdrivers. Now, wrenches. Right over here, we have, what is this, metric again? The numbers are metric, I believe. And we got a bunch of random ones laying around. These are all metric. And then right over here, all standard. A ton of these things. Bunch of standard wrenches. Move along down, we got all these adjustable wrenches here. Coming down here, we have standard, I don't know what do you even call these, screwdriver sockets. We also have Allen keys, a ton of Allen keys as you guys can see, all sorts, nothing's organized. And we also have a Torx screwdriver set. And last but not least, we are rocking the 1970s Kmart brand torque wrench that's already showing that we're torquing something when there's nothing on the torque wrench. Highly inaccurate. We might use this. And that is the setup, guys. That is what we are going to be running. Now we just got to organize that on the shelf here. For the most part, there's plenty of other little tools here and there, but as far as sockets, wrenches are concerned, this is what we are working with. And this again is the motor we are going to be tearing apart. We already started tearing this apart. For those of you that don't know, subscribe to the channel, watch the playlist. We got a lot of videos coming your way on that. We got the wheels here, man. Gotta fix these puppies and do a burnout on them.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.